Painting a room or a fence by hand takes forever, and quite frankly, it's exhausted. I hate rolling and brushing, so I decided to test out the best airless paint sprayers on the market to see which ones actually give that glass smooth finish without clogging up every 5 minutes. I've put 5 distinct models through the ringer, from budget handhelds to heavy-duty stand units, so you can pick the right one. Product number 1: VONFORN Paint Sprayer. I started with the VONFORN, and while this is technically a handheld HVLP rather than a massive airless rig, it's a great entry point. When I picked it up, it felt super lightweight, which is exactly what you want if you're just tackling some furniture or a few garden chairs. What I actually liked most was the blowing joint. You can use it to blow dust off your project before you even start painting, which is a clever touch. It comes with 4 nozzles, and adjusting the flow is pretty intuitive with the knob on the trigger. Cleanup is usually a nightmare with these, but the faucet connector let me flush out the inside relatively easily. It's not for painting a whole house, but for small weekend projects like cabinets or doors where you want a smooth finish without dragging out a massive machine. This little guy handles the job well. Product number 2: Mecha Style Airless Paint Sprayer. Then I grabbed this high-pressure electric sprayer, the one that looks like it came out of a sci-fi movie with its mecha-style design. It's definitely got more kick than the handhelds. The biggest selling point here is that I didn't have to thin the paint. I poured latex right in, and the stainless steel pump handled it without choking. It comes with an extension rod, which saved my back when I was testing it on a ceiling. It's surprisingly light for an airless rig, only about 12 pounds, so moving it around wasn't a workout. The battery life claims to handle a few hours of work, and honestly, that's plenty for most rooms. If you want something that bridges the gap between a toy and a pro tool without being tethered to a wall outlet constantly, this is a solid pick for interior walls or fences. Product number 3: VEVOR Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Stepping it up, I rolled out the VEVOR Stand Airless Sprayer. I say rolled because this one actually comes on a cart, which makes a huge difference when you're circling a house or a long fence. This thing is a beast with a 950-watt motor delivering 3,000 psi. When I pulled the trigger, the coverage was immediate. It lays down paint fast, really fast. The fan pattern is consistent, and I didn't get those annoying spurts you sometimes see with cheaper pumps. It's loud, sure, but it feels industrial. The suction tube is sturdy, and it handled the thicker exterior paint I tested without complaining. Just make sure you crank that hose tight with a wrench or it will leak. I learned that the hard way. If you have a big exterior job and don't want to carry the unit, those wheels are a lifesaver. Product number 4: Graco Project Painter Plus. Now you can't talk about sprayers without mentioning Graco. I tested the Project Painter Plus, and immediately you can feel the build quality difference. It's made in the USA and feels solid. It's a stand unit, so it sits on the floor while you work. I really appreciated the adjustable pressure control. Dialing it back for thinner stains and cranking it up for latex gave me total control. It's rated for roughly 50 gallons a year, so it's perfect if you're just doing your own home renovations. I didn't have to thin the paint here either, which saves so much time. The cleanup is straightforward with the garden hose adapter. It's not the biggest machine, but it feels the most reliable for the average homeowner who just wants the thing to work every time they pull it out of the garage for a weekend project. Product number 5: Graco Magnum X5. Finally, I tested the big brother, the Graco Magnum X5. If you have a 2-story house or a massive deck, this is the one you want. The main difference I noticed versus the Project Painter is the power delivery. It supports up to 75 feet of hose. I ran a long hose to reach a 2nd-story eave, and the pressure didn't drop at all. The suction tube is flexible, so you can just drop it right into a 1 or 5-gallon bucket and go. It's rated for more usage, up to 125 gallons a year, so it takes a beating. It's noisy, but it gets the job done incredibly fast. If you've got a long list of big projects and want a tool that feels semi-professional, the X5 is worth the extra cash for that reach and power alone. Whether you need a quick handheld for a chair or a heavy-duty cart for the whole house, one of these will save you hours of rolling. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description below so you can check exactly how much they cost right now. Thanks for watching and good luck with the painting.